Our customers are very busy, building hospitals, apartment buildings, roads and bridges. Being able to connect with them quickly, having someone there to help is so critically important for us, and Dialpad has helped us do that more effectively than ever.
I'm in Dialpad all day, every day. I open my computer in the morning, I put up Dialpad, I want to see how we're doing, what our metrics look like.
It gives you so many insights. What are the best times that we should be reaching out to our sources? What are the best ways to phrase certain things to get the best result?
We are all looking at the same data, and we all have access to it.
Whether it's our CEO, who has absolutely listened and accessed some of our customer calls, and then of course the frontline managers who really provide immediate coaching, giving team members feedback.
Dialpad's impact on how we coach and onboard new reps has been substantial.
It's been a real game changer. We bring in almost 20 to 25 new team members every year, most of which don't have a ton of construction knowledge. So this really helps with our consistency, it helps get our team members on the phone a lot quicker. It picks up on that phrase or that keyword, and it pulls up the response.
Previously, we were ramping people into a role 4 to 5 months. We're looking at a 3-month average now, and we're getting better every day.
The feedback that I received from the team following our Dialpad rollout was, wow, this is so much better than what we had before. Thank you for choosing Dialpad. It's been really great.
With Dialpad, we've gained back 15% of our time. That's a lot of time.
We are having stronger phone calls with our sources. We're getting information in a more timely manner. At the end of the day, that's what's most important to our customers, and that's how Dialpad is helping to enable us to do that.